My name is Antonia Starc. I'm 22 years old and I'm from Oakland, California. This summer, I was an ASEF Junior Fellow in Slovenia and got to work with Dr. Tomaž Deželan at the University of Ljubljana, researching and writing a paper on refugee and asylum-seeking policies within the US and Slovenia.
Hi, my name is Nola Valerian. I'm 22 years old, and this summer I had the opportunity to work and live in Slovenia thanks to ASEF.
My experience being an ASEF Fellow is not only important to me, but has impacted me in a number of ways. I grew not only culturally, but professionally, and also personally, and I still remain connected with many of the people I've met during my visit and since then.
I'm thankful for my visit because it allowed me to connect more with my Slovenian roots, and I was able to meet such unforgettable people during my time there. I think there's something so remarkable about being able to be fully captivated by a new experience like this, and having so many helpful resources from ASEF made it such a valuable opportunity.